What is it this time? Oh! Tornado watch! Tornado watch! Woo!
The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 563, effective until 8 p.m. This watch includes the following counties in Iowa: Adair, Boone, Clark, Dallas, Greene, Guthrie, Jasper, Madison.
First time we got tornado watch in a while.
Remember,
Also, first tornado watch in December.
Conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
Woo!
This is NOAA
Okay, that's all for
All-Hazards
now.
Weather.